All right, people, look at this. We got eyes. Do we not have eyes? I mean, we have doll eyes of every kind, shape you can think of. Oh my gosh, it's crazy, or I'm crazy, one or the other. But have you ever seen so many doll eyes in one place? Glass doll eyes, plastic doll eyes, every shape from 9mm to 26mm. You want doll eyes? We got doll eyes, and more doll eyes, and more doll eyes. We got doll eyes. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, BJD Beautifully Jagged Dolls. I'm doing something a little out of the normal today, although technically I probably never really do anything normal, but anyway, this is even abnormal for me. Instead of doing the normal weird creepy dolls that we make, and the unpackaging of dolls that we purchase, I'm going to show you a very strange collection we have, or what other people may think is strange, but I think is totally rad, okay? What we collect is BJD, or just any doll eyes. That's right, we have probably thousands and thousands of, well, maybe not thousands and thousands, but it's probably the biggest doll eye collection in the entire, well, it's the biggest one I know of. Anyway, we have all kinds of doll eyes. We have dolls, eyes that are plastic. We have doll eyes that are glass. We have doll eyes that were made in Japan, Germany, US, all over the place. And we have every size you can think of. Probably, I think the smallest one may be, I don't know, it's small, maybe 6mm up to like 26mm. And they're just cool. They're all sizes. They're round, they're oval, they're square. They're just out of this world. So stick around and go on this ride with me, this weird ride of getting to see all of our beautiful doll eyes that we've collected. I don't know, just for the fun of it, because you're isolated, and what else do you have to do besides look out the window? Okay, we're back to the collection, and it is, like I said, pretty huge. I want to kind of show you them individually. Like this one, I love this one. It does have its downfalls, of course. You can't use it because there is only one of a kind, because it was a salesman's sample. But I love the colors of these eyes, and I'm not about to remove them because I just think they're so neat. And they were with the I guess it's Takme toys. Takme toys. Okay, I'm going to show you the size of these. Showing 19.19 is the size of that. Those are cool. Aren't those cool? Those are so cool. Okay, we have little teeny tiny eyes. Little teeny tiny eyes. Aren't they cute? And they're just like a brown color. Look at that. They are so tiny. So if you break these down, probably a little bit more, like 8.58. They're so small. Okay, to kind of give you an idea on what those sizes mean. Okay, like he takes like 22mm. And the cool thing about these eyes are, instead of white, they're like blue all the way around. Isn't that cool? Okay, so what you do with these, you just, in the back of the head here, they're eye sockets, and you just push it down inside the eye socket like that. And then you have an eye. It looks cool. Doesn't that look cool? Okay, if we used one, say this 19, a little over 19 inches, like this one, I love the color though, isn't that cool? And you put it in the back of the head. If if I can hold them, then you can tell that it's a little bit smaller. See how the eye doesn't fit in there very well? It's really loose. But when you put your putty in there to hold them in place, it's going to hold it so it would be fine. Because see, it still looks really cool. I have it set in there right. See? Oh, I love that. I love those eyes. They're so cool. Okay. So that gives you an idea of like eyes and eye sizes and stuff. Okay. Put him back over here. Oh, he has a head. Part of his head just fell on the floor. Poor little guy. Oh well, he'll be fine. This container of eyes, there's a lot. I have no idea. I've never counted them, so I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 402, 403, 1066, 1068, 1070, 1070. You know, just look at these green ones. Aren't they cute? I love those. Kind of cat eye looking. They're 14 millimeter. There's just ovals, but I don't know if they are or not. Because some of these, yeah, these are all glass eyes. Aren't they cool? They're ovals. And then these are just a mix of them. And ignore the containers of these because this is not their original containers, original price. This actually says human hair, so that lets you know these are not in the real containers. This one just has a little bit of mixture, and they definitely need to be cleaned up. Most of these have been used, but look how tiny. Look at that. Itty bitty bitty bitty. These are all glass. Those are glass too. These are all glass. These are just like the other ones. There are blue and brown. I think those are all pretty much the same color. These are all brown. These are all plastic, and these are a different type because they have these little inserts in them. I don't know if I can get one out. Probably not with my nails. But the way these work is those pop out. Like if you want, I can't get that out of there. If you wanted to replace the inside of the pupil there. That's these. And these, as you can see, are all very, very, very blue. But they're made the very same way. Look how blue those are. And it says 10 millimeters on that one. Does that one have it wrote on there? Looks like it says 9, but it's hard to read. My neighbor and his motorcycle. Okay, and these are also 10 millimeter, and these are just a few, a different color than these. See the difference. Compare these, because look how blue these are. Look at the inside. They're bigger too. The irises are way bigger. Wow. Oof. Pretty cool. Watch me dump one of them. Don't want to pick them up. No. Okay. These are 9 and 10 ovals, so this is a mixture of them. And these are also glass, as you can see. There's, oh, boy, you almost did. Those are like almost a gray color. Okay, done. There's not very many in these either. These are 8 millimeters. I really need to go through and organize them a little bit. And these are glass, and these are kind of cool. These are different. These are like, I mean, they are round. Look at the shape of these. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty dirty too. Oh, those are pretty dirty. Those need to be cleaned up. Okay, Chris. These are glass. No, these are plastic. And these are from Playhouse Collection, the doll company, made in the one in Taiwan we talked about earlier. Those are brown. We already pretty much looked at some like these. These are 18 millimeter, and they say brown. That is German for brown. So all these are made in Germany. Once I figure out how to open it. Open. Oh, open. Or are you not open? It's just me. Okay. I don't know what those say. Oh, that's glass, I guess. Glass engine. 18 millimeter brown, and does say made in West Germany. Okay. Oops. I know I'm gonna dump these in the floor. Okay. Ooh. Aren't they cool? These are cool. Those are really cool. Here's looking at you. Ooh. Okay, never mind. So all of these I think are the same color. Yeah. Okay, they're all brown, as it says. All brown. Okay. Done that one. These are a big variety that I just stuck in this box. And these include eyelashes. I do have some eyelashes, but not very many. It's these, I think. See how thin and tiny those are? Those are cool. And these are also from Playhouse and made in Korea. These, however, are not. These are made in Japan. These are 26 millimeter, and these are plastic. Oh, they say glastic eyes. I'm not sure what glastic eyes are, but it's these. They're cool. I love the color of those. Purple. And there's these. They're small. These are 18 millimeter, and these are 16 millimeter, and these are really pretty blue. And these are also blue, made in Japan, and they're 10 millimeter. Look at the difference in the sizes. These are cool. I like the color of these. Sea green. Ooh. Then there's these. These are German crystal. Ooh. These are Heidelberg. Get tongue-tied. Doll eyes by Carl in West Germany. So cool. These are 18 millimeter blue. Look at these. Aren't they pretty? I think they're extremely pretty. And that fuzz has got on them, but like that one's looking that way, that one's looking that way. Okay. Cool. These are tiger eyes that I do not believe. They were made in USA in 1992. It says real eyes. Ooh. I don't know if these have ever been opened. Oh, there, I got them. Oh, those are so pretty. Aren't they pretty? I love them. Let's see if we can get one out. And they have the full part of the eye too. Okay. I'll get them off. Okay, these are dark purple. Those are like a light lavender. Those are cool. So these are made in Japan, and they're a light gray. And these are made in Japan, and that's not dark brown. They're in the wrong case. Okay, it happens. Very, very organized person. Really very neat. I'll straighten that up later. Okay. That well enough. See green. I don't see green. Do you see green? Oh, sorry, bad joke. Okay. Now, these are just a bunch of nasty looking things, so we'll put those aside. I love these. Both of these. I have no clue how many's in there. These bags are not correct. I stuck them in these bags. It says Well Trade Toys, but I don't think that's the original bags that came in, but every one of these are glass, and they are just a variety of glass eyes, all colors and shapes. These, so what's different about these, because they have these little cards with them from the company. I love the color. It says they are blue-gray, and these are real eyes. I mean, they're not like real eyes. You know what I mean? Let's see, it says real eyes. They're so smooth. I'm trying to get one of the little cards out so you can see. That's their cards that came with their eyes. Kind of cool, huh? These, looks like contact lens cases. Says, well, these are more German. These say 14. I don't know if that's the number. That was good. And these are all glass. Let me get the lid. I dropped the lid in the floor. Okay. I can't hold them. I think all of these are the same color. If I'm right. I think they're all blue. Okay. Check one more. Yeah, they're all blue. And they're all glass. And they're all cool. And they're all the same size. I measured. Nah. Take my word for it. Look at all the colors. Wow. A lot of these are pretty close to the same color. Look at those. Those are neat. Kind of almost a reddish brown. These have eyelashes. Some of them came with eyelashes. If you think doll eyes are creepy, the ones with the eyelashes to me are the creepiest. Of course, I think doll eyes are cool because I think dolls are cool, and I think the creepier the better, but that's what we do, is we make creepy dolls. Look at these. Look how red. Those are like extremely red. The colors are super cool. I hope the colors show up. So, these are smaller. Look at these. Like tons of them. Look at these. Aren't those cool? That gray in there is so cool. And then these are even smaller. Okay. That's the last of them. So, got them all piled up here nice and neat now. So basically, this is my huge, what goes in there? Huge doll eye collection. Thank you for watching another BJD Beautifully Jagged Doll. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel because there's no telling what we're going to show you next. Also click like, click the thumbs up, just to show that you like the video and you like me. Again, thank you and have a good night.